Hello everyone, welcome to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a sign-up sheet in Google Chrome. So let's get into the video. Begin by opening Google Chrome. Click on the plus button. Give your Chrome a title, which could be the event or activity name. Add fields like name, email, phone number or any other relevant information you need to sign up. Customize settings like collect email address or limit to one response, depending your sign-up requirements. Share the link with potential participants. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.